Okay, hi, welcome back to the Hot Lodge eBay shop. It is Thursday night, and this is going to be a short video because there's only one order today, which is a little disappointing. I've been having pretty strong sales days lately, and last night I did some math and I figured out exactly the amount of money that I need to be earning each day for the rest of the year in order to reach my goal of $50,000 in profit. And it was $192 and change for that has to be the average amount each day that I make for the next 3 months. It's almost the end of September now. We still have a few days left in this month, but having a day like today, right after I thought I'm just thinking maybe I can make this goal, and then we have a day where I sold one item. It's like a $16.99 thing. Probably going to make less than $12 profit on it. So that's going to be a bad day for us. I mean, it is, what time is it? It's not quite 9 yet, so we do have several hours left to make some sales. And it's Thursday, which is one of my better days. I can show you. I've been doing these hash marks, keeping track of the number of sales that come in every day of the week, trying to figure out which day gets the most number of sales. And I thought that Tuesday was going to be the winner, and it is. It's 127. I've had 127 sales on Tuesdays for the last, I started this in April, so like the last 6 months. Each Tuesday has been the best day, but then Thursday just coming up right behind at 125. So worst day of the week looks to be Monday, and that's quite a big difference actually. It's like 29 sales lower. So I think that project is over. I miss keeping all those statistics, and I kind of ran out of steam on it. I lost interest in it about, I would say, 3 weeks ago. I had to do I had to add a lot of hash marks on there yesterday for the past, since I think it was September 6th was the last time I posted, or the last time I marked any sales on there, and today's the 25th, so like 20 days ago basically. Anyway, Thursday is one of the good days, so hopefully we will get some more sales tonight, but can't count on it. So tonight we're gonna just have one order to pack, keep it short, and so I will do one box of inventory or one inventory location, and yeah, we'll try to just keep it short. So let's let me pick a location, and then I'll grab all the stuff that's in that location, and we'll do a little inventory audit to make sure everything that's supposed to be there is there, and everything that is there is actually listed on eBay. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, well, I went to grab one box. I decided to do 2 boxes. These are the last 2 boxes I have that have clothing in them, and I'm trying to get all the clothes into these bins down here, but I don't think I have room left in any of these bins right now, so I'm going to just try to combine these 2 boxes into one and get at least one empty box. There's not that much in here really, so it should still go pretty quickly. So let's start with W2C. I'll turn the fan off. We don't really need that on tonight. I'm gonna go to eBay and go to my eBay and then to my active listings, and I'm gonna search for W2C, which is the label of this box. W2C, and we'll find out what's in here. Okay, there should be these kind of acidy washed jeans, light wash acid jeans. This is a brand called Denim House. I've had these listed for quite a while, since October of 2023, and it's September of 2025 now, so not quite 2 years, but close to it. I paid $8.90 for these, and I'm running a sale right now. I started a sale this morning, trying to just like goose some purchases before the month comes to an end. So I put a 15% sale on anything that is 45 days old or older. So that includes these. I've had them listed for $44.99. Right now they're listed at $34.24. I'm gonna delist everything that's in these boxes and relist them, so they'll go out of the sale. But I will lower the prices when I relist this stuff. Okay, next thing in this box is this Ren and Stimpy t-shirt, number 59. I've had this since 2023 as well, even older, of October 7th of 2023. That's only been listed for $10 and nobody's bought it, so that might be one to just delete. But I think I'll give it another chance. After it's been relisted, maybe it'll get a little bit more activity. So I think I paid $1 for that at a garage sale. The Perfect Jean. There's a brand called The Perfect Jean. That's not it. This is it. Number 57. Again, 2023. So I've got a lot of really old stuff in these boxes. These are Aku, A-K-O-O. Distressed black jeans, number 62. These I've had listed for $42 since 2023. So yeah, this is all really old. And then finally these True Religions. I've had these listed for $65. I paid $10 for them. So yeah, none of this stuff has sold. So I'm gonna delist all of these. Let me make sure there's nothing in my already ended, because I don't want to get confused and list something twice. So I'm gonna hit end on all of these, end listings, and then this box can get out of the way. So I'm not gonna put anything back in this box for now. I'm just gonna put it on the shelf right now while I'm thinking about it. So this whole rack right here is called W. It's a little dark over here. So W down at the bottom, W1, shelf 1, ABC, 2 ABC, 3 ABC, etc., all the way up. So once we're done with this second row, we'll have it done inventory on all of the boxes here. The top shelf way up here, shelf 6, has no boxes. It's just open shelving. That needs to be inventoried. Probably do that next, but I think I'll need some help. Maybe Jessica will come help me, hopefully. Okay, let's get back to this. Now we can go to W2B, active listings, and I'm gonna try to cram all of this stuff into this box, and I'm gonna try to price it low and hopefully get this stuff to sell quickly. W2B. This box has Ralph Lauren. These are swim trunks, where I think we're past the swimming trunk season. So that stinks. I thought those would have sold. This is a band t-shirt for the band Gorillaz. I think they have a new album coming out, so maybe there'll be some interest in that coming up soon. Here's a pair of Dickies. Is this them? 142? No, it's these right here. I think I've sold these twice and they got returned both times for, they didn't like the fit or whatever. Okay, men's. Those Dickies I got for free somewhere. I had them listed for $30, so I'm gonna just basically cut all of these prices in half, I think. Okay, number 142 is these. These are Levi's 514 jeans, slim, straight cut. I only have those listed for $20. I paid $2 for them in June of 2024. All right, what's next? There's a pink shirt in here, a Vineyard Vines. I think Vineyard Vines maybe has lost its luster. The stuff that I have has not sold, the Vineyard Vines brand stuff. I have a pair of Coogee jeans. These should have sold. I have them listed for $52. I mean, I guess it's just too much. And then finally, I've got this Menards t-shirt. This I think I got 3 of these, and 2 of them sold right away, and this one's been hanging around, and it's priced very low, only $8.99. So everything that's supposed to be in those 2 boxes is here, and there's nothing extra. So essentially, we're done with inventory right now. I'm going to hit end listings right now, and these will all be ended later tonight when I'm done filming. I'll relist all of this stuff. I'll hit sell similar and I'll relist all these, lower the prices, and change all the locations to this one, W2B. I think I can fit everything back in here. I should try to put them in chronological order or numerical order. 52, 56, 142. Here's a 90, 182, 154, or 61, 62, 57. Theoretically, this helps me find these things when they sell, but if they don't sell, it doesn't really matter. 58, 57, 58, 59. So I bought all of these 3 things. I listed all 3 of these things one right after the other, and they still haven't sold after all this time. A 90, 128, 142, and I have sold these Menards shirts before. I was just thinking maybe I should just pull this out and put it in the garage sale pile. But since I sold 2 of them in the past, I'm gonna just keep them, keep that shirt and try to relist it. So I have to remember these are going in W2B. Do I have a, I'm gonna write this on my hand and I'll remember this later because I'm gonna move everything into that one box. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it away, and then I'm gonna grab the one order that needs to be packed and then come back and pack it. All right, this is the only thing we sold so far today, and it is just some Scentsy wax blocks. It has been kind of hot here lately, and it's not a great idea to ship candles or waxy stuff when the summer heat is on, but it's not that hot, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm trying to take this price tag off. It says $6, but I think I got this on a half price day, so $3 I would have paid for those. Once I got them home, I realized they were not totally complete. Like, these Scentsy bars have little compartments, and this one is missing 1 cube out of it. I think one of these is complete. This one is complete, and then the red one is also missing 1. So this one's been melted out quite a bit too. But I priced these pretty low. I was thinking about not even listing them, but I decided to price them at like $15.99, I think. There's also this, which I don't know what it is. It says to easily remove wax. It's something, I think it's just cotton balls, really. But I don't know if this is a Scentsy thing or something that somebody just threw in this Ziploc bag. But I'm including it anyway. Where'd my box go? Oh, right here. So yeah, let's see. I sold these I paid $3 for them at a little thrift store, $2.97 on August 7th. Today is the end of September, so it's not that long. This has been like 2 months, month and a half or 2 months. And sold these for $16.99. I thought it was $15.99. So $17. By the time we pay fees and everything, we're probably gonna get down to like $13 or $14. So I'm gonna pack this right now, and then I'm gonna buy the shipping label, and we'll see exactly how much profit we made today and how much more we need to get to that $192 threshold. I think it's going to be quite a bit more. This box is exactly the right size. I did order more packing paper last night. I'm on my last roll now, and it's probably 3/4 of the way empty. So I ordered some more. This stuff is going faster than it used to, and I think it's because I'm not using bubble wrap so much. But I mean, it is a lot cheaper than the bubble wrap, but it's not free, and I don't like using it that much because I do have to spend money on it. In this case, I'm reusing an old box, so that's good. That's something I don't have to pay for. And I'm going to put one of these labels I didn't have to pay for to cover this barcode. And then let's just write on here with a pen. We don't have to write anything. I'm going to buy this label directly from this phone. Let's move this. 15 ounces, good. Get shipping label. I think I charged a flat fee on this. Probably $7.20 or something. 10 by 8 by 5. 10 by 8 by 5, and then save that. $6.49. I charged $7.22. So we'll make a little bit of money on the shipping here, but not enough to get up to the quota that we need to get to. Okay, I'm gonna save this label, then open it in the printing app. The printing app that comes with this Nelco printer. I used to talk about this printer all the time. It's like just about the cheapest thermal label printer you could get. I'm pretty sure I got it on eBay or maybe Facebook Marketplace. I think it was eBay. I think I paid $42 or $38 or something like that for it. And it's been holding up for about 3 years. I haven't had any problems with it at all. And it's about to print directly from the phone app. So not too bad. Try to avoid showing addresses too much on here, but there we go. That's the one package that's going out tomorrow. So now that we have that one package done, let's quickly look at this spreadsheet and see how much money we made today and what it's doing to our daily average. So yeah, sold it for $16.99. I paid almost $3 for it. Shipping, I charged $7.22. Actual shipping was $6.49. eBay fees were $3.17. So after we do all the math, we end up with $11.58. So yesterday, our average profit per day for the month was $163.72. We need that number to be 192, 193, something around there. And this 1158 is going to drop it down to 157. So what was it before? 163 down to 157. So yeah, that means we need a couple of big days before the end of the month. And that's part of the reason why I put a big sale on. I'm hoping to just really move a lot of stuff, but I don't have high hopes that we're gonna get up to 190 for the month. But October is coming, November and December. November and December should be very good. I'm not sure about October, but hopefully we'll be doing higher numbers for all three of those months. I'm not sure if we're going to get all the way to 192 average per day for all three of those months, but maybe. I mean, it's possible. So I'm not going to get my hopes up that we're going to reach $50,000, but this is the number that I did some actual math on a couple of months ago, and I predicted this is how much we would actually make, 45,360. I feel like we're going to go over this, but I don't think we're going to get all the way to 50,000. So if you want to find out if we do, stick around, subscribe, and follow me through the rest of the year. I'm making a new video every single day telling you exactly how much money I made and showing you all the new stuff that I brought in and everything that's going out. If I do get any more sales tonight besides this one, I'll post about them in the YouTube community post section, so check that out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.